Are you eating that Play-Doh? Aubrey? Are you eating Play-Doh? Aubrey? Are you eating Play-Doh?
She's just chewing her finger. Why do you have to do that? Why do you have to do that, Dad? Why are you taking those pics of her?
She's trying to eat this Play-Doh.
Are you seeing if...
Aubrey, are you trying to eat Play-Doh?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Oh, leave her alone. I'm just asking, Aubrey, are you trying to eat Play-Doh? Are you trying to eat Play-Doh?
I think that means yes.
We don't eat Play-Doh, you know that, right?
No.
No Play-Doh. Okay, I just want you to know, we don't eat Play-Doh.
Open your mouth. Why? Like this.
Keep your hands out of her mouth.
When's Mommy gonna be back?
A little bit later.
My mom's car's here. My mom's car's here, so they must be back. Mommy!
Are you eating Play-Doh?
No.
Okay.
I think she's just kidding.
Are you thinking about eating Play-Doh? Are you sure? Can I see your Play-Doh? Ooh.
Walkie.
You want to go for a walkie? Yeah. We gotta get dressed, okay? Okay. Cohen, you want to go pick up some of your Play-Doh so we can go outside?
Yeah. I'm trying to find an ant in the trash.
You found an ant?
Yeah. Cookie. I got it in cookies.
Did you squish it?
Yeah. It was red ant. What? Doggy. Going? I'm not cleaning it up. You're cleaning it.
You just squished it.
No, you're cleaning the plate.
Oh, I didn't play with the Play-Doh. If you want me to clean it up, it's gonna go in the
Trash.
I shouldn't have to clean it up. Remember how you did a great job cleaning up yesterday?
I couldn't clean up all that Play-Doh without your help.
I will help you. I want to watch your sister. I think she's trying to sneak eat Play-Doh. It's a good job.
I'll ask her if she put. Got you. Okay.
Uh-oh. Drop some.
Oh, wait. You dropped some.
That's Hmm?
My mom is still here.
Yeah, she left her car here.
And why is my mom still not here and going to the store?
I want to go shopping for you guys. Don't put it in the window. You putting it out the window?
Can we do it?
Nope.
No. No.
Say no. No more, please. Do you hear me?
I'll see if the Play-Doh's out there. Oh my God, it's far away in the road. I threw it in the road. That was so silly. Oh, some Play-Doh.
I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. You're so silly. Yeah? Yeah? What are you saying yeah to?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Go. Lucky.
Hmm? You putting Play-Doh on the helmet?
Can I put some on my helmet? No.
That's her Play-Doh.
I'll go get some too.
Oh, don't pull that off.
This be here. What's that?
Yeah.
Dad, can you open this? I want to decorate my helmet. Some colors. Hold the cat for me. Decorate my helmet.
Just a little bit, alright? Then we gotta clean up soon.
To go outside.
Mm-hmm.
I'll put one on my wheel. Baby. Baby.
What are you doing?
Putting some Play-Doh on my wheel.
Alright, that's enough.
I'll put some here to stick it on them.
Alright, who wants to go outside?
Me.
Aubrey, you want to go outside? Alright, say bye to the camera, everyone.
Bye.
Aubrey, you want to say bye? Say bye to the camera.
Bye.